Let's start. Today we will see how to do an HTTP post request in Flutter Android. First of all, open the pubspec.yaml file and write the HTTP dependency. Then click the pub get button and wait for the dependency to integrate into the project. Let's see the project structure. In the lib folder, we have three Dart files: main.dart, postRequestModel.dart, and postResponseModel.dart. Open the postRequestModel.dart file. Here we will define the model class according to the postRequest.json. We are going to send a string field called name to the post request. This is the from.json function. The words that you see inside the bracket, in green letters, are written according to the postRequest.json. And this is the to.json function. These two functions, from.json and to.json, are required for JSON parsing. This is the toString method. Let's see the postResponseModel.dart file. Here we will define the model class according to the postResponse.json. We are going to get these many fields in the response. This is the from.json function. This is the to.json function. And this is the toString function. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package, the Dart convert package, the post request and response model classes, and the HTTP package. To make using the HTTP package easier, we have given it a nickname called HTTP. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is the _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. Here we have the post URL. Also, we have a Boolean variable to turn on and off a progress loading indicator. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a container widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first child in the column is an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we will make the progress indicator Boolean variable true, so that the progress indicator becomes visible to the user. Then we call a function called doPostRequest, where we will do our HTTP post operation. Below the elevated button, we have a text widget, where we will show the result. Below that, we have a circular progress indicator, inside a visibility widget. So when the user clicks the button, this progress indicator becomes visible to him until the HTTP task goes on. This is the doPostRequest function. Since the HTTP task may take some time to complete and give the result, we are going to use the async await approach here. First of all, we create the request model object, and pass some string data in it. Then we encode the model into a JSON. Here we do the HTTP post request call, where we pass the URL, and the request data. Once the response is received, we turn off the progress indicator. Then we check if the response is a success or a failure. And then we parse the response and show it in the text widget. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I clicked the button, the red-colored progress indicator ran. And after a few seconds, we get the result from the HTTP post request. So that's it. That's how you can call the HTTP post request in Flutter Android. Thank you.